You're the one that was asking of empty rubber, right? Oh, okay. After today, we can use it to cook for her. After today, you can come and carry it. Dimo malugo, Dimo ma, Dimo. Oh, it's taking light. Dimo malugo, Dimo ma, Dimo malugo, Dimo ma. Dimo malugo, Dimo ma. Shagaban. Yeah. Go see. Break is over. It's over. The way we view, they now God go person. Do you know
You are welcome to SS1B. Respect.
Okay, the respect is not something you should give, right? SS1B. Don't you think it's 12? Russell. You don't want to hear the child. What is my word? My word is to get about removing trouser of people that don't want to wear trouser. Since this trouser, because you're not covering your body. What is the essence of wearing trousers? For a situation, where someone does not want to cover his or her body, is it not part of the same work? Yes. Help the person to pull the trouser. Is it not my responsibility? If you are chewing gum, hold it in your hand. Hold it like this. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Just stay like that. Who else is chewing gum? 3 hours. Hold it up. Hold it up. Thank God. What people look like this? Raise it up. Raise your hand up. Doing our own time, I hardly see boys chewing gum. But this time around. Boys that will perforate their ear and plaited is from small, you will know. You can give me reasonable reason why Kevin is chewing gum and blowing. Before you know it now, you prepare his ear. Before you know it now, you will call his ear. Before you know it now, you will do nails long. You now hear function. When you dance, say yes, so if you reach your turn, don't wear function. If you reach your turn, don't prepare your ear. Yes. Tell me why a boy that is a boy that is typical boy, one boy, the boy is showing up. What did you say? She, one, and she, Kevin, you want us to settle? Yes. On one condition, that I will never catch you sleeping with again. So the nails you keep is for what? People that keep nails are people that don't bleach well. Yes. So they keep nails for They keep nails for what? Because if you don't bleach well, there is a tendency that some parts of your body will start having rashes, which will later turn to what? Or ringworm. Or hair or ringworm, like he has experience. I like it when people speak about this place. And as you can see, check his nails. Ever since he suffered from this, he's no longer keeping nails. Basically, see the nails now very less. Means that he has to scratch some places. Scratch some places. There's a way for a problem you think is wrong. You be scratching and think they are scratching wall. There is part of your body. Yes. So if you know you are keeping nails, if you keep your nails like this, I know your neighbors, not the back. They are not perfect. And your hair is long like this. Let me see. Can you see your hand? Can you do anything at home? Why is it tiny? Don't look like hand that they use for you to do. Choose your name. What is the problem? Is it that the barber can log up well, or that the clipper is not sharp? Why are you keeping nails? Even if you can't bathe, can't you tell your siblings to better hand and bathe you? Now you can be washing them. Good.
Ella needs to be at home.
He will shoot. I go down, I'll say it in her class. Now if you have any brother in SS1, they will know. If I mention the person, I say I think we again this class. And your son is start with A. That brother in SS1. That brother with K bring nail 2 to crop. I settled down your nails. We are not yesterday. You waited until the rice finished. Let me see. But show me the other cameras. Which part are you keeping this one? Let me see. This is your hand. Your nail is not long for you. Let me see. Let me see. Hey, you know that sometimes it's not that they mess in this class. On a serious note, it might not be fast. It might be dirtiness. Because tell me why a boy is keeping long nails and a girl too is keeping long nails. Okay, even if boys cannot bathe, girls, you cannot bathe. Okay, so before we start today's topic, let me teach you how to bathe. Everyone sit down. Kevin! You! And you! And you! And you! I think girls are less. It's only her that is keeping nails. Because she need long hair. She can't be bending down to pour water. So she can't bathe where she need the nail to scratch later. Okay, so this out First of all, I will start with the lower class, those that keep it in pockets and fall. What do you mean? You fetch water in the pocket, you fetch plenty water, you fetch 1 cup. Like the boys can start from your head. Water. Then carry sponge. Put soap. Concentrate on the areas that they don't see. Those places you are keeping nails for. Concentrate there. Bend down and wash very well. Enough for if you are using shower, fine. Honest. First of all, rinse your body. Then you use sponge. If you know that you can't use sponge well, call your mom. Mommy! You know that I can't bathe well. This is time for you to bathe me. In fact, I will even test your mother because she'll bathe you this. Let me know. I need your own to test it. What's your own name? Your own name. Your name is too long, so not 2 people to bathe. Your own is what? Good luck. You can cover nose not to get the smell of pit that you didn't bathe well. What if you suffocate? Your own is no longer protected. Wash it. Who else? You follow the lady. You are keeping nails. You are keeping long nails. You are keeping nose nails. Fine. You that you don't know when you will scratch yourself. Everybody in this class have submitted their, have written their class. Oh, 26 is true. No, not for me. It can't be last year. It can't be last year. Why? My office. How? Is it not you submit like man? Go and collect it. And why didn't you go sit? Let them know that I started. Today we're talking about quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. So we are for quadratic expression. And under quadratic expression, we'll be talking about factorization of quadratic expression. Make sure you write your own in full, okay? So a quadratic expression is an expression of the form a quadratic expression is an expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, comma, a is not equal to 0. Take note. Examples of quadratic expressions. You have x squared plus 5x plus 6. You have x squared minus 7x plus 10. You have x squared plus 3x minus 4. I thought it was new this thing they gave you before. New marker.
Yes.
Okay, so those are the examples of quadratic expression. Then we have meaning of factorization. Factorization means writing an expression as a product of factors. Now, there is something I want you to understand about this quadratic expression. I know that in junior secondary, you are very conversant with linear expression, whereby you have an expression that the highest power of the unknown is 1. Once the highest power of the unknown is 1, it's now linear expression. If you have 2x plus 3 plus 1, this is a linear expression because the unknown here is what? X. And the power here is what? 1. But once you have the power of the unknown, the highest power of the unknown to be 2, is now quadratic expression. Okay? Good. The example, see x squared plus, then you know that the coefficients of this can be more than 1. Here is just 1, but it can be more than 1. You can have 2x squared. You can have 2a squared. Okay? Then coming to factorization. Can someone come and expand this thing for me? A plus 2 brackets a plus 3. Okay? Any other person apart from her who can expand this? Apart from Victoria and Toby, nobody can expand this. Algebraic expression in JSS2, even JSS3. No one.
So A will multiply everything in this bracket and 2 also multiply everything in this bracket. A times A is A squared and A times plus 3 will be plus 3A plus 2 times A is 2A plus 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, A squared plus 5A plus 6.
Okay, people see what she did. People see what she did. So he expanded and this is what she got. Okay? The opposite of returning it to this part, whereby I say A plus 2B, that is the reverse. It's what we call factorization. Okay? Do everything. For those of you that came late last time and base the excuse because you came late last time, you are now early this time. So in everything you do, make sure you pay attention. At least this first topic for the explain it in such a way that even an idiot will be able to understand, except you are not paying it. When I say an idiot, I mean someone that avoid any excuse. I normally work with my marker and my ink, because if the marker you gave me is telling us waka, this thing you can use your phone. Instead of keeping nails, don't keep nails, keep mass in your head. Or you just those places that you have proper, okay, solve mass and put here. So all your boxers solve mass instead of proper to be there, mass will be there. Even the girls that keep nails, all your pants solve mass 2x squared plus 3x, all of them. You see that instead of you to be scratching, you'll not be doing what? Solving. All of them start with S. When you know the S way you want to choose, either scratching, solving. Okay, Kiola. Somebody will just see you say, oh, this is Okay has her own mindset. It doesn't concern her. Okay. So, Victoria, you're the one that give me this apple board. I want to teach you. When I want to teach you, when I want to teach you. Now, let's solve this example. Copy this. Let's solve this example. Examples. Factorize the following quadratic expressions. Okay, before these examples, have you written yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. I'll do what to do. Go ahead. A x squared plus 5x plus 6. I want to use that one that I gave you people, which result. Okay, I think this is it. This is it, right? That is that one, Abi. And x squared minus 7x plus 10. Let's look at this. Now, how do you factorize? Write the method. 1. Multiply the coefficient of x squared by c. C is what? The constant. C is the last number here. X squared. This A is coefficient of x squared. So it can be 1, like this one here are 1. I'll still give you an example of one when it's 2. The constant. Multiply it by then. Okay. The second method, add B. Okay. Then the third, find two numbers or factors. Let me use factors. Factors of ax squared times c, that when you multiply, when you add actually, you get the coefficient of x. Then number 4, write as 2 brackets. Write as 2 brackets. So we can now solve solution. We can now solve. Okay, so like I said you should pay attention today, no matter what happens. Let me stay here so that I will not block anybody today, and everybody will get it. I'll be writing down what I'm doing so that if I were you, this one I'm going to explain now. Do yourself a favor and get it right. Do not make mistake. If I were you, today is the first day you are starting a particular topic and you are in the class. Do yourself a favor and pay attention. At least hold one topic, at least first topic that you can solve. Number one, we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. That is solution. Okay? The first thing you are going to do, what's the coefficient of x squared here? 1. Because it's just 1x squared that is here. Okay? It can be 3x squared, 4x squared. If fine, come and stay here. Where is your book? Fine, where is your master school? Eh? Okay. Meaning that all this stuff, why I've been writing, you're not writing. Eh? Why? And you couldn't make it, you couldn't make space for today's work and continue today's work. You mean you dress up from home? Wait, did you wait? Dress up, talking, not tie, wear shoe, to sit and be looking at me while others are writing. There are sometimes things you don't make sense. You don't even make sense in this world. This is what you see everybody do. Even the deaf and dumb will collect book and be writing. Ifeanyi. How many times did I call Ifeanyi? Come on, guys. Carry your book and write what other person. Disturbing the available person in you. Who put you here? I know they put you so that possibly happiness can help you. But from the look of things, the help is afraid of you. Because what were you doing with Ifeanyi? No, it's me.
No, it's not me.
Who was he talking with? Remove your mask notebook. Hey! Who is the prefect in this class?
Prosper.
Assistant.
Yeah,
You don't even know your work, because if you know your work, when you look around and see that a teacher is explaining and there is someone that is not doing it, suppose to say, excuse me, this boy here has started again. Where is your mask notebook? Where's your mask notebook? You're not with me. Yeah? Where is it? Open it. You see how you behave at home or only in school? Eh? This is how you behave at home. Okay, it's only in school. So it's teachers that need to punish. You behave well at home. Okay, even if you are told in school, this is how you behave. As a parent, you collect, teachers you collect. They are giving to everybody. They are not machine. This is your note. This is your note. Your note is this. Your note is this one. Are you in GSS2? I started teaching you for 25 September. And I'm seeing number divisible by, and it's May 2025. Did I teach you for May 2025? Okay, why am I seeing May 2025 here? Stand up. Stand up. Where is your math notebook? Please, can we go ahead? Use the coefficients of this to multiply this, meaning that what's the coefficient here? 1 times what? 6. So we are considering 6. Okay? Now, this is a plus 6. We are going to look for numbers that when you multiply, it will give you 6. But when you add, it will give you 5. Now, what are the factors of 6?
1.
No, two numbers that when you multiply give you 6.
2 times
1 times 6 and what?
2 times 3.
2 times 3. Which one will give us 5? And this plus will give us 5. I explain again. The coefficients of this times this will give you 6, right? Look for two numbers that when you multiply, it will give you that 6. But when you add them, it will give you coefficients of x. There are numbers that when you multiply, it will give you that one we are talking about. That is the constant. But when you add, it will not give you that one. The one you are using is one that when you add, it will give you the one that is here. So these are our guys, okay? Because when we added, it's giving us what? 5. Come back here. This 5s has gotten replacement. Use these numbers to replace this. Then you have x squared plus 2x 5x. After all, 2x plus 3. If you divide it, leave 2 here and leave 2 here, okay? So coming to this side, look for what they have in common. What they have in common here?
Yes.
Put it outside. So you put x bracket, x squared will give you what? X. X times 3 divided 6 will give you what? 2. The brackets are the same, right?
Yes.
If the brackets are not come out the same, that means you not do it well. The ones that are inside bracket, just use 1. X plus 2. Then the ones outside bracket, bring them together, which is what? X plus 3. It is factorized. Is it okay? Now we'll go to B part of it. The B say x squared minus 7x plus 10. Okay? What is the coefficients of x squared here? Use it to multiply and you give us what? That when you multiply, it will give you plus, but when you add, you will give you. Okay, now let's consider. Remember what have here is minus 7.
Yes.
Good. Coming down, we have 1 times 10. And we have what?
2 times 5.
2 times 5. We have minus, because there is minus here. So there is a need for us to introduce minus. Minus 1 times minus 10. And minus 2 times minus 5. Now there is something I want to explain. If you notice that here is positive and here is negative, look for two numbers that are negative. Because minus times minus will give you plus. Remember, you are multiplying. So you need negative 2 to give you. Okay? But if you notice that they are positive, you don't need negative number. Because at the end, it's positive that will give you positive. Why you are doing negative? So that when you multiply, it will give you plus. But when you add, you still remain negative. Minus 5 plus minus 5 is minus, not?
Yes.
Will anything change? No. Now, let's check now. This times this is 10. This plus this is what?
10. 11.
This times this is what?
10.
This plus this is what?
7.
Plus 7. Are we dealing with plus 7?
No.
This times this is what?
Plus
It's 10. This plus this is what? Minus 11. This times this is what?
Minus 7.
This times this is what?
Minus plus 10.
And minus 2 plus minus 5.
Minus 7.
We have minus 7. So these are our guys. It must correspond. So we don't want all these ones. This is the one we want. So you replace. Okay? We have x squared minus 2x minus 5x plus what? 10. I've removed 7 now. I'll put its replacement. Divide it. If you divide it, what do you have here? X bracket x minus 2. What they have in common here? 5 or minus 5?
Minus 5.
Minus 5 bracket x minus 2. Minus 5 cancel minus 5, you are left with x. Minus divide minus, minus divide plus, minus 5 divide 10, 2. Bring the brackets are the same, right?
Yes.
Bring, just use one of it. And bring the ones outside. You have x minus what? 5. That's all. Question. Question. Ask your question. Ask your questions. No question. Okay. So I can clean now.
No.
I can clean this side.
Yes.
So I'll give you classwork. I'll give you assignments. Go to your textbook. 121. Page 121. Have you opened it? Page 121. Have you opened it? Nobody's with textbook. Please don't come here again without textbook. Or you stay outside. And this time you need masses. But not now. So buy and keep. You need calculator, you need pen, you need pencil. Okay? Go to 121, page 121. Let me give you classwork first. Prosper or Toby, make sure they submit this classwork today. I have SS3 A now, so I have to do it. Mr. Dave. For this economy, I'll be to marry Abi. So he say if for their church, say the singles they rich. Now to find one rich girl married. Family worship. Ask principal.
Oh yeah.
Just ask principal. Now to find one rich girl married, don't even need money. You didn't pray today now? Yes. You say, and they're rich people. Yeah. So that one, you don't need to find money. Just to look for them. Amadugini Kobu. Amadugini Kobu. Auntie God. Help her. Ah. It's one more time. Mom, where is the class scattered like this? Somebody. Okay. Okay. He said for that to take place, that class should be scattered. You should arrange your lockers. Those that are around, let's start. Arrange your lockers in the front. Huh? Was it not your notes you were using to copy scheme of work? Yes. Oh, yeah. You didn't hear. People don't have doctor. Was it not the same class I entered yesterday and I talked about things switching on the ground? Who dropped that? Yeah. Don't follow. Okay, people should shift those lockers forward. You're waiting for me to call your own name separate before you didn't hear when I said shift those lockers forward. Have you? Check that, keep moving. Keep moving.